you doing, Dr. Drew?
I'm testing the engine.
For what?
For Rona Racket.
It's already been sim tested before it left the center.
All right, we better check the trucks.
No, the drivers and the freight carriers are already sanitizing everything.
All right, let's get on the offices, the warehouse.
We've already brought in a cleaning crew to do that multiple times. Listen, I know that we hired you as a doctor of drivetrain medicine, but you're going overboard. The safety and health of our staff and our customers is among our top priorities. We're following all the CDC's guidelines on social distancing and sanitation, and we are using the utmost care when we're packing our customers' orders.
Sounds like I can get all my drivetrain needs right from Powertrain Products.
Of course you can. You can call us at 888-842-0023, or if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can use our online platform at powertrainproducts.net.
Stay safe, everyone. We're in this together.